Okay, the latest state of our container, the build. This is the front door frame. Inside we have the insulation and the Tyvek put on. We've bolted on the supports for the ceiling. Those are the cables for the LED lights that are going to be full ceiling to floor. This is for both sides of the sofa. You've got data cables and power cables. There's a light above the sofa. This is the extra wall board because this is your workspace for your kitchen. There's the ingoing hot water and cold water, and there's the exit of the cold water. Another cabinet's going here. It's got your outlets for your kitchen, outlet for the stove, and there's your inlets for the kitchen sink. Going on here, there's going to be one doorway here separating the bedroom from the living area. This is the bathroom. It's going to have a sliding door like this. There's for the bathroom sink, electric. There's for the shower stall, and that's for the toilet. Nice big bathroom. And then this is the bedroom area. This is the main cable junction box right here. And I'll get you the measurements on that so we can put in the American junction box. There's a typical wall outlet. There's the main data box for all the internet wiring in the whole container. Here's where the bed goes. You got power on each nightstand. You got data going to each nightstand. And then here's for your TV set. And then again, we have the full across the ceiling LED lighting. So that's the latest state of the container. Very soon you'll see it finished.